Welcome friends, you want to upload your very first video on YouTube? Just stick around and follow. Go to Google, open and click here. Check and verify that this is the account, your account in which you want to create your YouTube. And please, if you have very many like me, you can select which exact account you want your YouTube channel to show. But if you have one, maybe this one, just right away click on these dots. You will see YouTube. Please go ahead and click on that. Well, you will see an interface like this, and it's familiar, you'll just go up here. There is this symbol which says create. You can choose that, but you can first click on your account. You'll see and confirm that this is your Google account, so you can even view your channel. You see now, like me here, it doesn't have any video, so you come to create, and when you press on create, click upload video. When you upload video, it will bring something like this. It will prompt you to select the files you want to upload, and these files will be on your computer. So right away you will visit your local files. You can choose in downloads, desktop, wherever your file is. You go, navigate, search it around. So mine is in recent, so I can choose this. Adam stopped, click upload. Right away YouTube will fetch that file. My file has been so small in size, so it did not take long to upload. Now it shows upload complete. It is processing. You can see it here. But if you have very large files, they can take some time to process or to upload. So mine was short. Even processing was so simple. So you can type here the title for your video. So Adam stopped from eating the forbidden fruit. That is my video. I don't know whether he was stopped. Surely he wasn't stopped, he ate it, but so you even add some description for your video. A certain sniper from nowhere shoots at the forbidden fruit. This description describes what's in your video. If it's a song, if it's a movie, if it's a tutorial, it somehow gives a glimpse of what should the audience watching expect. So Sniper does whatever they do. So now here you can come over and select a thumbnail. A thumbnail is specifically that photo that people will see on top of your video. So here it is what it will look like. Sometimes YouTube generates, but you can upload. So I can select this auto-generated thumbnail, like this one. It's just good enough for me. Then you click no, it's not made for kids. You choose that option and press next. Press next again. Make sure your content doesn't have any copyright issues. Make sure it is your content. If it has any copyright issues, you may have problems ahead. So you click next, and then you choose the visibility. Do you want it to be public? Yes. And if you don't want it to be public, you can choose it private. That's if you don't want anyone to see it. You can choose unlisted if you want some few people to do what? To see it. So basically that's what you do. You select public, and then you publish your video. When you click publish, it's boom, it's done. You can just copy this link to share it with your friends if you want them to see what you have posted. But here is your video. It's already published. It's public. It has no restrictions, no views, no what. When you click on it here, it will take you direct to YouTube. You can click here. So boom, that's your video and it's now playing. Thank you for watching and please consider subscribing. Thank you.